Hello everyone, and welcome to our discussion of Sea Nature Unleashed, ever caught on camera. Today we're going to dive into some of the most breathtaking and raw moments when nature shows no mercy. These recordings capture the incredible, sometimes devastating power of our planet, and they remind us of the importance of being prepared. Natural disasters and extreme weather events have a way of shaking us to our core. For example, studies reveal that in areas hit by powerful natural events, up to 80% of the infrastructure can suffer severe damage if proper precautions aren't in place. Shockingly, research shows that nearly 50% of households remain unprepared when disaster strikes, statistics that really underscore why we need to take action now. Let's begin with earthquakes. Earthquakes can occur with little to no warning, and footage from major quakes shows that in some regions as many as 70% of older buildings collapse due to inadequate retrofitting. On the other hand, cities that have updated their building codes and invested in emergency preparedness can see a reduction in casualties by almost 40%. These numbers aren't just statistics, they represent lives saved and communities rebuilt after nature's fury.
Hurricanes arguably provide the most destructive damage of all storm systems, with damage paths that can stretch for hundreds, if not thousands.
Now consider hurricanes and typhoons. These immense storms often pack wind speeds that exceed 100 miles per hour. In hurricane-prone areas, data indicates that around 65% of homes may not be sufficiently fortified to withstand such extreme conditions. Recorded footage of these storms reveals not only the physical damage, flooding that can affect over 60% of coastal zones, but also the emotional toll on affected communities. Early turning systems and practiced evacuation plans are essential tools that can reduce risk by more than 35%. Tsunamis provide another sobering example of nature unleashed. The 2004 Indian Ocean tsunami, for instance, claimed the lives of over 2,000 people, and in certain coastal areas, more than 75% of structures were completely destroyed in just minutes. These unforgettable images push home the urgent need for advanced coastal defenses and rapid evacuation protocols. Wildfires, too, demonstrate nature's unbridled force. In some regions, wildfires have been known to consume up to 60% of the affected land area during peak fire seasons. Communities that implement effective fire mitigation strategies often see property damage drop by as much as 30%. Watching footage of raging flames and billowing smoke is a powerful call to action, urging homeowners to create defensible spaces and practice clear escape plans. And then there are flash floods, sudden, overwhelming events that can inundate up to 70% of urban areas in minutes. Research has shown that households with a comprehensive flood plan can reduce potential damage by over 35%, highlighting how critical it is to have an emergency kit, know your local evacuation routes, and keep informed of weather alerts. If you're finding these insights valuable, please subscribe to our channel. Every subscription helps us spread crucial information about disaster preparedness, ensuring that more people are ready when nature unleashes its power. And don't forget to check out the link in the description below for our top recommended safety product, a comprehensive kit designed to help you and your loved ones stay safe during any emergency. These 85 moments when nature is truly unleashed are more than just stunning visuals. They're lessons in resilience. Data shows that even a 10% improvement in individual preparedness can lead to a significant reduction in overall damage. And communities that practice regular drills and maintain up-to-date emergency plans can recover up to 40% faster after a disaster. So ask yourself, do you have a solid emergency plan in place? Have you assembled a disaster supplies kit with enough provisions for at least 3 days? Do you know your evacuation routes and the safest spots in your home? These simple, proactive measures can be the difference between chaos and safety when disaster strikes. Thank you for joining me today as we explore See Nature Unleashed, Ever Caught on Camera. Please subscribe for more in-depth insights and practical advice on disaster preparedness. And remember, check out the link in the description for our top recommended safety product. It might just be the lifeline you need when nature shows its true power. Stay informed, plan ahead, and most importantly, stay safe.